Alright, Ash. Okay folks, we're out here in the Nepean River at the Penrith Weir, and I'm Wayne Keys, the caveman, and this is
Matthew Miller.
living in the bush, and this is James.
And down the river.
Down by the
James
river.
at the river boy, and we're just here. We're going to do a walk today and see what glorious animals we can find out here. Do a bit of birding mainly on the Nepean River and see what we can find on the next stop, folks. Okay, we're going to syphilis and gonorrhea.
Rainbow.
Diarrhea.
All right.
Rainbow beeeater.
One more.
The beautiful white-faced heron. The wood swallows were everywhere.
Yeah, they nest in the casuarinas up here.
They're at the bottom of the literally the first gum tree at the car park up here for yield.
Must be time for Mum to come back soon. Getting very impatient, the little fella's here. Now it's open a little bit. Oh, here comes the mum.
There's your beautiful mum.
Just amazing, that is. You can see her just up there, feeding those little babies. Beautiful. I can hear a bit of chatter. Oh, look at
Nice.
that. That's insane.
The old bowerbird dancing to a young male.
Black-shouldered kite. Just looking in the grass. Little mannequin. Young one, not much colouring.
Not much coloration as yet. Little mannequin.
We decided to follow the sound of trilling of the rainbow beeeater and got rewarded. He was quite low to the ground. Then we seen this osprey dive into the water near the weir, catching a mullet on the little rapid part. Then he flew to the perch and got chased by some plovers.
Amazing to the side of it when they're tearing the flesh off. You reckon there must be something to
We
do with
watched
that
him
taking
eating
the
there
food
for about an
they
hour.
eat too.
He didn't mind our presence.
Oh, just fishing masters.
Yeah, oh, for sure, mate.
Even their wings are adapted to come out of the water.
Yeah, they're an absolutely gorgeous bird.
He started eating and gnawing away at the head.
That fish, mate, we were just a little bit too late, eh?
Yep.
But
Next time.
oh, that's it, mate. Can't complain, mate. I'm as you like. Oh,
They have
that,
this
please.
twisting
Nice
motion
talons,
with
eh?
their neck as they eat.
That'll get something for the bloody vegetarians.
Yeah, wouldn't mind seeing them get that around a little box covers, eh?
Yeah.
It was a great day hanging out with James and weighing down the river. The master fisherman,
See the twist?
Yeah.
one of our
That's it.
target
Why you
species
twist that
for the
too.
day.
Google it.
Yeah, it's easy. It's easy.
The awesome osprey.
See, I wonder if he's using like the
Then he swallows the tail whole. Has a clean on the branch with his beak after he feeds, and then flies off and washes his feathers down in the shallow water while getting chased by free plovers.
They won't let him get a fish to come through.
Oh, he's landed on the water. Yeah. He's having a bit of a wash.
Where is it? Where is it?
Just on the edge of the water.
Oh, there is fish.
The plovers stopped attacking him.
Oh yeah, I saw him. Now he's just still. What's he doing? Just pecking around on the edge.
Yeah, probably clean his beak and talons.
Yeah, yeah.
He's walking in the water.
Yeah.
Troubles here.
Fucking hell.
This last bit of footage is a bit shaky because I fell in the water at the time. Wayne and James had a bit of a laugh.
He did catch.
See you next time on Blue in the Bush and the Cumberland crew, and help support saving this wildlife. Like and subscribe.
Oh, he's landed.
Join into our face groups. See you next time. Bye.